Squarespace, how to make a website, complete tutorial for beginners. Hello guys, Ilya here, and in this video I'm going to show you how can we easily build our first website on Squarespace. This platform provides us the opportunity to use the templates, to interact with them, to create our websites like in a few minutes. So here we are on squarespace.com. Let's click on get started in the right top, and if you're new to this platform you'll have to create an account. You can easily do it with your Gmail or create it for this platform only, and we'll come to this page. And what do you need to know about Squarespace? Basically, this platform is about template customization. They provide us the opportunity to use a lot of different templates we can use, a lot of different topics, a lot of different theme templates, and so on. So here we are, and in the left side we have the option to choose a type of our website: online store, portfolio, membership, blog, scheduling, one page, courses, services, and in the central side we can choose even topic like art and design, photography, health and beauty, personal and CV, fashion, professional, services, and so on. In my case, I would like to create a blog page, and I would like to see all the templates we can use. For example, this blog about food. But don't worry, you need to know that every single template is it's possible to customize all the stuff. All we'll take is just simply structure. So we can easily change this photo here, this text here. We can change the order of these pages. We can change this description, this gallery, and so on. So yeah, and also there is a problem sometimes that we can use templates from different devices, for example from phone, from PC, and you need to know that Squarespace provides us the opportunity to create all the designs responsive. As you can see, all the views are pretty cool. We can easily switch between different devices on this left top corner. And let's use this template. Let's click on start with this design, and yeah, voila, our website was created. And all we need to do now is just simply customize it for a little. So first, let's choose our site title. I'm going to use site 1. We'll change it a little bit later. Let's click on continue, next, and get started. So here we are on our dashboard, and in the left side we have a menu of how can we manage something inside of our website. If we'll click on website, we can see all the pages like blog, about, contact, shop. We can easily change the order, and it will be automatically changed right up here. As you can see now, about is the first link here, but we can easily make it the last thing here. We can also open a blog directly, for example, to interact with our posts. If you want to manage posts on the website, you can easily click on it right up here and do some other stuff. So you need to know that this page, this folder website, it's about all the pages, about the structure. And if you want to change something in the structure or manage your blog stuff or manage your shop info, you need to open this page directly. So on the commerce area, it's more related with online stores. I don't think that we'll cover this topic in this video. If you want to search for Squarespace dropshipping business, you can easily try to find video on my channel right up here. On the marketing, we can add SEO optimization. So what is interesting is that I suggest you to add SEO title format, what's your website about, and also description, more a little bit bigger than your title. You can describe your website, what's inside, so it will be easier as for our browsers to show it in the internet. And basically, yeah, we can also find some analytics on the analytics area about traffic, sales, geography of our visitors, and so on. But I think it's enough to know about this panel here. It's more interesting to know how to customize our website, how to publish it. So firstly, click on this site styles brush icon in the right top, and then open fonts. So from this page here, we can easily interact with all fonts group on our website. I often use this font group, as for me it's pretty cool, pretty reliable, and I suggest you to use this thing here. The same stuff, we can open our colors, go to edit palette, And here we can interact with the wall color palette on our website. Sometimes it's pretty cool because these colors change a lot. So I would like to use something like this. And also we can interact with animations and the same stuff. I would like to add fade animations. As for me, is this the best animation, and the trend is of course about creating animation like fade. Yeah, now we can also add a spacing. Sometimes it could be really helpful if you want to add, yeah, like this. And now we can click on save in the left tab, and all the changes will be automatically published, as you can see. Now we can close this window, and let's try to open our editor to interact with our content on our website. So all to do is just simply click on edit right up here. Then we can see that there are a lot of elements. Yeah, so if we hover our mouse, we can easily move them. We can easily interact with our text. We can easily edit our header. For example, let's change site title and logo. Let it be like my blog, something like this. So yeah, the same stuff. We can interact with text. We can make it bold, italic, change color, font size, alignment, make it like bullet, and so on. The same thing, we can interact with sections. We can add sections. As you can see, it should be somewhere here. We can click on edit sections, change color, alignment, and do some other stuff. On the blog, on this template, for example, there is no possibilities to add sections. But we can find this button on the other templates right up here in the central side. So you'll be able to add some additional sections, for example, about your team, about your company, maybe add photo gallery and do some other stuff. Squarespace provides us the opportunity to use a lot of different features. I also suggest you to watch my other tutorials about Squarespace. It will be much easier for you to understand how Squarespace really works. And now we are ready to post our website. If we'll open our wall dashboard, we can easily find it right up here, and we can find this link. If we'll open it, we can easily open our website. But as for us as a developer, we'll be able to see like this, on a workspace, work panel, something like this. If we'll try to compare our subscriptions on Squarespace, we can see that there are 4 plans: personal, business, basic commerce, and advanced commerce, and the prices are different, and it depends on your purposes, on your goals. What would you like to use Squarespace for? If you want to create a one-page website, it's enough to use personal, $16 per month. All the necessary features are available. But if you want to set up your online store, for example, it's better to use basic commerce or advanced commerce, or at least business. So yep, this is a way of how to create a website on Squarespace. Hope this video helped you out and it made your life a little bit easier. If you have any questions, you can write them in the comments below. Goodbye.